Good day, sir. Today we're going to tackle about the different kinds of navigational charts and their purposes. Nautical charts, use and storage of charts. Proper nautical chart handling and storage are crucial, especially for digital charts susceptible to sun, dust, and magnetic fields. Always handle charts carefully, keeping digital media and dust covers and away from magnetic influences. Make permanent corrections to paper charts with ink using pencil for temporary markings that should be erased after each voyage unless an incident occurred. Label frequently traveled routes clearly but concisely on charts, avoiding obscuring data. When not in use, store charts flat in their designated portfolio, minimizing folding and ensuring easy retrieval through proper indexing. Careful attention to these details protect valuable navigational resources and aids in accident investigations. The chart lighting. Mariners frequently use red light for nighttime chart work as it minimally impacts night vision. However, red markings become invisible under red light, making red pencil unsuitable for highlighting navigational hazards. Using red to mark dangers on charts can lead to accidents. Always use a color visible under red light to highlight hazards. The small craft chart. Although the small craft chart published by the National Ocean Service are designed primarily for boatmen, these charts are scales of 1 to 80,000 and larger are in some cases the only charts available of inland waters transited by large vessels. In other cases, the small craft charts may provide a better presentation of navigational hazards than the standard nautical charts because of scale and details. Therefore, navigators should use these charts in areas where they provide the best coverage. The types of nautical charts. A nautical chart represents part of the spherical earth on the plane surface. It shows water depth, the shoreline of adjacent land, prominent topographic features, aids to navigation, and other navigational information. It is a work area on which the navigator plots courses, ascertain positions, and view the relationship of the ship, the surrounding area. It assists the navigator in avoiding danger and arriving safely at his destination. The harbor chart. Harbor chart publish a scale of 1 to 50,000 and larger are intended for navigating in harbors and smaller waterways, and for anchorage harbor charts presents more numeral sounding than are shown on smaller scale chart and all athons to maximize the accuracy of positions determined from plotted bearings.
Used for planning, fixing position at sea, and for plotting the dead reckoning while proceeding on a long voyage. The scale is generally smaller than 1 to 600,000. The shoreline topography are generalized and only offshore soundings. The principal navigation lights and landmarks visible at considerable distances. General chart. General charts published at scales ranging from 1 to 150,000 to 1 to 600,000 are intended for coastal navigation when a course is well offshore but can be fixed by landmarks, lights, buoys, and characteristics. Coastal chart. Coast charts published at scales ranging from 1 to 150,000 or 1 to 50,000 to intended for nearshore navigation, entering or leaving bays and harbors, and in navigating the larger inland waterways. Some coast charts omit detail in areas that are covered by larger scale charts.
Miscellaneous charts. Now, what is miscellaneous charts? Miscellaneous charts are provided for referential purposes in navigations, giving such special information as oceanographic and meteorological conditions, positions of fixed nets and other fishing gear, etc. etc. A map showing the principal meteorological elements at a given time and over an extended region. A chart portraying the state of the atmospheric circulation and weather at a particular time over a wide area. It is derived from a careful analysis of simultaneously weather observation made at many observing points in the area. Special chart or pilot charts cover five regions of the world's oceans. Since pilot charts are concerned with sailing conditions, there is a chart for each month. On each pilot chart are windroses or prevailing winds showing both directions and strengths of the wind. Also shown on each chart are the currents and storms for the month covered. Other monthly information is given depending on the location and month, like wavelengths, water clarity, surface pressure, air temperature, ice limits, visibility, and gales. For the North Atlantic, there is a separate chart for the Northern North Atlantic, the Central North Atlantic, and a chart showing in a larger scale that the Central chart, the Gulf of Mexico, and the Caribbean Sea.
Route Route chart. Route chart is essential for ocean voyages, have limits, and they show general information for high level passage. Planning include routes, distance, ocean currents, and water condition, but they don't provide detailed navigational information for close in area. General information, not detailed navigation. Is routine chart are designed for high-level route planning and passage planning, not for detailed navigational in coastal area or narrow pages. Not a substitute for detailed charts. Is routine charts should be used in conjunction with other nautical chart and publication for detailed navigation. Focus on ocean condition. Is they provide information about ocean currents and wind, rows, ice limits, unexpected meteorological and oceanographic condition for each month of the year. East China Sea routine chart, tide and current chart or table are navigational tools are predict times and heights of tides, vertical water movement, and the times and speed of tidal currents, horizontal water movement for specific location. This table of chart show the predict times and height of high and low tides for a particular coastal area. Sample, they are often printed in a tabular format listing the daily high and low tides for a given location. Current table charts. This table or charts provide prediction for the times and speed of tidal currents including flood, EBV, and slack currents. Example, they list the times and speed of the daily flood, water moving toward the shore, and EBV water moving away from the shore current as well as the time of slack water. When the current is at a standstill. Example number 2, current table are essential for navigation as they help mariners anticipate the effect of currents on their vessel.
Chart provides the mariner an accurate visualization of the configuration of the seafloor. Much like a topographic map shows the configuration of the land, a bathymetric chart provides contours at a higher density and accurately places them on the defining depths. In areas of dense data collections, a bathymetric chart can help the mariner determine their position based on the location of charted bottom features. Line chart, devoid of hydrographic information, of a special scale and projection, usually portraying a vertical and compass rose, designing to be ancillary to standard nautical charts, and produced either as an individual chart or a part of coordinated series. Plotting is the plotting is the process of keeping track of the position of a vessel over time.
Good morning, sir. Position the plotting chart. Position plotting attained easy from measured bearings to charts object green line in the example are marked with a circle and horizontal labeled with the time and sailed distance strip. Thank you, sir.